Amaphoyisa aKwaZulu Natal athole ukuthi ukweqa kwalezoyiboshwa ebeyisalinde ukuthi iqulwe amanye amacalazo Mgungundlovu behloswe ngakho ukukhulula umholi weqembu elithile lemigulukudu. Iboshwe ngama-45 beyisuswe enkantolo ngoMbasa nonyaka ngenkathi amadoda behlome ngama-AK-47 evala umgwaqo ngeveni kwathi iboshwa engama-30 zakwazi ukweqa.
There are some high-profile people, politicians and business owners that are there in Pietermaritzburg and also in surrounding, not in this area, and they are funding, according to the information that we received, they are funding this gang in committing the crimes. But we are still working on that, and we're still early, and we don't want to divulge more information on that.
Amaphoyisa akholwa ukuthi ukubanjwa kwalabasolwa kuzoletha uzinzo endaweni.
It's going to be a breakthrough because remember, this gang has been terrorizing the people around the areas, and even as you go down to Richmond, and there is a case where 4 members of the family were killed there in Richmond, and this gang are linked to that matter, and also in Bergville, in different areas around the Pietermaritzburg, and we are sure, we are sure that it's going to be. The place is going to be stabilized now, and those 4 suspects are linked to the same gang that was killed a week before.
Ungqongqoshe wamaphoyisa ubhekicele uphawulile ngezinye iziteshi zamaphoyisa kulelizwe.
Looks like the work is not over. We'll be working on the broader syndicate that has been terrorizing people, but people have been terrorized here. You know that the Blessed Star is taking over in the country as the first murder station, and they are definitely responsible for that spot that Blessed Star has taken.
Amaphoyisa aseqinisekisile ukuthi amanye amaphoyisa ayishumi nesithupha aboshiwe ngezigameko ezimayelana nokubulala esifundazweni.